Hello and welcome to this new LeetCode May challenge of today's edition. So today we are going to solve a problem majority element that is given in the challenge of today. So let us first read the problem. So given an array of size n, find the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Okay. You may assume that the array is a non-empty and a majority element always exists in the array. So basically we have to find basically we are given an array which contains all obviously integers of numbers, and then we have to check the majority element. That means the majority means the element that occurs most of the times in the array. We will output that element, so that is the majority element. So input is here in the example 1, input given as 3 to 3 and the majority element is 3. So we are output as 3. So as 3 occurs most of the times as compared to 2. In example 2, input given as 2 2 1 1 1 2 2. Yeah, 2 is occurring 1 2 3 4 times and 1 is occurring 3 times. So majority element will be 2 and we are outputting 2. So moving on to the solution part, we will solve it using Java by using the concept of hash map. If you don't know what is hash map in Java, you can always look into the Google about hash map. So summarizing a bit about hash map is a technique or a Java collection framework that stores a value with its value and key positions in the map. So it is basically same as the dictionary concept in the Python. So we are using this that it will give us the best case in Java. So let us first get a map. So map teacher we are going to name the map as result equal to new hash map integer integer. Done. So this is basically the syntax of creating a hash map. Then we have to check the length of the array. So we are naming a variable dth length as we are following the clean code standards. So nums is the name of the array that is given already. Length dth, yeah, nums.length. Now we have to do the for loop. For loop is for looping through the array and taking the numbers as input. So for int I in nums then here there is a function known as contains key in the hash map collection of Java. So basically contains key we are going to find that if the element is given is present in the element of the array, then we will print it. Okay, so result that contains if the element is found in an array I, then result dot put, you have to putting the element with its value and position in the hash map. So it is result dot put I is the value, then we have to print the position. Result result dot get, now the position I plus 1. Yeah, it's like this. Then comes the else portion. If it is not found, what we have to do? Result, simple result dot put the value. sorry, you have to tell the position also. Yeah, now we have to check the majority portion. So if the element present in the array a majority element or not. So here if result dot get I greater than equal to length divide by 2 plus 1. So why I have done this? So in the question it is told that the majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. So basically we are checking if the element occurs more than n by 2 times. N is the length of the array, so here we are taking in place of n length of the array, so it is the majority element. You have to return that one, that position or that element. Now if it is not found, then return 0 basically. So this was the solution in Python. Let us see if it works or not. Sorry. Let us run the code. Oh, sorry. Very sorry. Yeah, got. So it is runtime 0 millisecond. It's best case. I told that earlier also. Now let us submit it. Yeah, accepted. So this was the Java solution. So a bonus fact for today, and those who are Python lovers, so I am telling a one-liner solution in Python that I have found. It's this. As you already know, sorted is a function of Python that is already declared, and the length, we are checking the length and the nums divide by 2. Why I have given divide for the floating points? If floating point number is given in an array, so it would not be a problem. So this is a tricky solution in Python, but not an optimal solution. If you find any optimal solution, please comment in the comment section. I will look at it and give a reply. Basically use the dictionary concept, as I have used hash map concept in Java. So using dictionary concept, it will lot be optimized solution. Just run this one, see if it works or not. Yeah, it will yeah, runtime, see the runtime 36 milliseconds. It is much higher than the solution I submitted in the Java one. So it is not the optimized. Don't try this. It will give a runtime in most of the compiler, as LeetCode compiler is good, so it will not give TLE problem. Yeah, accepted. So if you solve in Python, better to use the dictionary concept, and if you use in Java, you are comfortable with Java, then use the hash map concept as I have shown in the video. Okay, so this was all for today. Stay tuned in my channel for the upcoming challenges of May. Until then, if you like my video, please give it a like and let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.